Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's very blustery today. The wind keeps picking up uh, into varying gusts that vary directionally, so it's sort of hard to guess, if the camera's going to blow over or where things are going to blow at me from. And the birds, particularly the ducks and the geese, seem especially unsettled today. They keep flying from here to there and passing overhead and then immediately passing overhead the other way and landing in the pond for a brief time and then taking off. So it just kind of feels unsettled. The clouds are quickly shifting, the winds are shifting and fairly strong. So hopefully the noise canceling will help. And I've noticed with the ducks and geese a similar kind of unsettledness. So the idea here is where there's unsettledness that's external to you, particularly if it's in the sky. That's how I'm doing it here. What I'd like to do is just really reassert, re-emphasize, refocus on the relative unchangingness of the earth. So that may extend to my stance or my feet. In fact, I'm going to do it barefoot. So, of course, it's all relative. The earth is also changing and it is impermanent. But relatively speaking, there's another duck. Relatively speaking, the earth is stable, settled, centered, and receptive of stasis, quietude. And so, in the face of all the unsettledness, the shifting, the vigor of everything above me, the sky, I'm just trying to emphasize, you hear the gong going there. I'm trying to emphasize my relationship to the stable, the earth, the centered, the relative unchangingness. So that's your homework for today. Um, Remember, somewhere between sky and soil is all of humanity. So be kind. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.